This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2016 Honda Civic engine air filter full guide. Open the hood, disconnect the negative battery cable for safety, and locate the rectangular air box on the passenger side. Remove fasteners or clips holding the cover, then lift the cover straight up to reveal the old filter. Inspect the intake for debris, clean the housing with a cloth, and prepare the new filter for installation. With the cover off, gently slide the old filter out while keeping the intake opening clear of debris. Hold the filter level to avoid spilling dirt into the air box, and inspect the housing for leaves or residue. Use a vacuum or clean cloth to remove loose debris, and check the filter sealing edge for damage. If you see oil or heavy contamination, consider checking the intake system for leaks or other issues. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so consider Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort during long garage sessions. I find them durable and surprisingly comfy while crawling under hoods or leaning over engines. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the new filter into the air box with the rubber seal aligned to prevent unfiltered air entry. Press the filter down evenly so it seats against the housing lip and ensure no gaps remain along the perimeter. Reinstall the air box cover, secure all clips or screws, and double-check a firm seal. Reconnect the negative battery cable, close the hood, and run the engine briefly to confirm normal operation and no unusual sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.